Now I want to make a video clip of rabbits. So I want to know. So can the rabbits eat everything like all types of trees and grass? So uh, let's do it now. So this is a mango leaf. Yeah. So I got some, like one leaf of the mango, and then we get another leaf. So we get a lemongrass. Yeah, this one is lemongrass, and then this one is flower. We also catch one flower, and also we get some longan. This one is longan. Yeah. Okay, and then we go other place. We get some more. Okay, this one is rose. Yeah, we also get leaves of rose also, and then we go to get some more leaves. This one is tamarind. Yeah, tamarind. And then soursop. This one is soursop. Yeah, this also get soursop. And this one is cutter apple. Do you know cutter apple? Yeah, cutter apple is the family of the fruit, like same as soursop. Yeah. So now we go back to the rabbits to find out. So they can all eat all types of the list that we get or not. Yeah. So now let's test. We go first with the list of we go first with the leaf of longan. This one is longan. Wow, so they like to eat. Yeah, they like to eat the leaf of longan. Yeah, yummy. Yeah. And then this one is soursop. Yeah, let's see. Oh, they also can eat. Yeah, this one. And this one is tamarind. Oh yeah, also eat the tamarind. And next one is flower. Yeah, I know the rabbits can eat the flowers. Yeah, most of the flower they can eat. Yeah, for rabbits, they love to eat the flowers. Come on, little one. Yeah. Okay, one more is rose. Yeah, also eat for the rose. And this is lemongrass. Oh, they like don't want to eat it. Oh, finally they eat it. Yeah, they also eat the lemongrass. Yes, that is impressive that they can eat the lemongrass. Yeah. So the last one is the mango. Yeah, the leaf of mango. Yeah. Yeah, they eat. Yeah, they. So now we can know for the rabbits can eat all kinds of trees. Yeah, all kinds of leaves of trees. Yeah. Okay. Finally, thank you for watching. Thank you.